we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Allow your parrot to come out of the cage either perched on your finger or arm or on his own once he's completely used to your affections and love. Hold your arm or finger outside the cage door to encourage your friend to explore with you, talking in a fun, comforting voice the whole time.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.